I know.
I'm sorry on such a dreary day. Hello, very nice to see you again. Hello.
See you again.
Well done. Well, huge congratulations. Like, it
very much.
feels a little bit sort of delayed, but yeah, it's really great that we've had the opportunity to do this. I can actually see you, but also the team.
Much more important to see.
Yeah, the team are very excited.
Good.
It still feels very fresh to them.
Oh, absolutely. So it's sort of end of September, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When it all sort of came about, and then, as we know, it's sort of time before you know it's Christmas time, and then but it's nice to really sort of mark the beginning of this year.
Yeah.
But really sort of well done and congratulations. Hello. Yeah, very nice to see you. Yes, you too. Congratulations. Very nice to see you too. Hi, lovely to see you too. Yeah. Really well done. Thank you. How does it feel now? Is it sort of all settled in and a chance to reflect?
We are champions always.
Yeah. Is that right? So you lost?
I always am.